we covered very clearly about, okay, sir, cut is the command we covered, right? Okay, now the next command what we have to discuss is sir, paste command. Okay, paste command, sir. Don't feel, sir, it is something like in our Windows copy paste. Copy paste, no, 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 it is not, sir, not copy paste command. Here what is the paste command, for which purpose we are going to use, right? Suppose I have two files are there, sir. Assume that one file is there, subjects.txt. Okay, like this is the file what I have. Assume that core Java is there. Next, and after that advanced Java. Next Python. Next UI. Next Linux. Like I have five subjects are there, sir. Next, fees dot sir, txt file is there. Fee dot txt fees, sir, fee dot txt is there, sir. Assume that. Now, sir, core Java assume 1,000 rupees, advanced Java 2,000 rupees, Python, sir, some 999 I'm taking, UI 999 I'm taking, Linux 3,500 something like I'm taking, sir. This is like I have. I want to join these two files into a single. Are you getting right? So here observe that to join these two files into a single with a space separator, or with my own separator. Okay, like I want to join, sir, two or more files horizontally. Horizontally means, sir, this data will be there just beside 1,000 will come. Next, because this data will come. Next, second, this data will come 2,000, 3,000 like. If you want to join two or more files horizontally by using some delimiter, then we have to go for paste command. Remember this one, sir, paste command. Okay, we can use paste command to join two or more files horizontally, two or more files horizontally by using some delimiter. Remember this one, two or more files horizontally by using some delimiter. Next, default delimiter is tab. Okay, tab is the default delimiter. If you are not specifying anything, what is the default delimiter is the tab. Just observe this one. What is the purpose of paste commands? Are to join two or more files horizontally. Remember, right? Okay, any number of files horizontally if you want to join, then we have to go for paste command. Sir, what is the syntax for that? Paste is the command. Next of file1.txt, next of file2.txt, okay, file3.txt, like any number of files you can take, no problem at all. Okay, like now my requirement is, let me join these two files horizontally. Okay, like here observe carefully, observe a bit carefully about this one. Here I'm trying to take, here is, just observe that. Okay, let me create a file, sir. Here gedit subjects.txt, subjects.txt. Let me take, sir, some data is there. Let me remove that and let me consider this subjects.txt. This is the data, sir. Okay, now subjects.txt. Okay, now I'm trying to take gedit fee.txt. Okay, like I'm trying to take, sir, what is the fee.txt is, this is the thing I'm trying to take, sir. Okay, well, sir, how many files are there with me? Can you please spell out? Cat subjects.txt, cat fee.txt, like two files are there, sir. Now, sir, paste is the command, subjects.txt, fee.txt I'm taking. Sir, now observe. Can you please combine data of these two files horizontally? Okay, horizontally, like now observe, core Java 1,000, advanced Java 2,000, next Python 999, UI 999, Linux 3,500, something like we are going to get. Any doubt? All the people are in the position to understand these things, right? Okay, the files are already available. Just the files will be there as it is. Sir, it is just processing. Sir, I want to save this data. I want to save this data to some other file. No problem at all. Okay. Now here results.txt. No, sorry, results.txt. Okay, cat results.txt. If I open, now my data by default will be there. Any doubt? Yes, friends. Okay. What is the default separator came? Tab. What is the default separator came? Tab. Tab symbol came, sir. Okay. Remember that. So I don't want to tab. I don't want tab. I want to use some other symbol. Okay. If I want to use some other symbol, then we require to use hyphen D option. Remember carefully, sir. Hyphen D option we require to use. We can specify. We can here just observe that we can specify our own delimiter by using sir, by using, sir, which options are D option, hyphen D option. Okay, like hyphen D means what is the meaning of that? Can you please spell out? Hyphen D means what? I respond. We covered multiple times. Hyphen D means delimiter, sir, delim or delimiter. Okay, like delimiter. Okay, like delimiter means a separator, right? Now here just observe that. Sir, can you please paste based on which delimiters are hyphen I'm taking? Based on hyphen delimiter. So first subjects dot txt and then fee dot txt. Can you please combine data present in these two files with hyphen separator? With hyphen separator is my requirement, right? Okay, so how we can do that? What is the way? How we can do that? What is the way, sir? Are you saying core Java hyphen 1000, sir, hyphen 2000, hyphen 999, hyphen 999, hyphen 3500, like we are going to get? Please confirm. All the people are in the position to understand. Any explanation is required about this terminology? Can you please confirm? Okay, like now I have one small doubt is there, sir. Okay, here which symbol I'm using? Which symbol I'm trying to use? Manish, I don't think. Okay, hyphen dollar. Then what will happen? Dollar is still treated as a special. Yeah. Here one small thing you people should be aware. Which symbol I'm using? Yeah, the separator. Please confirm which symbol I use as separator. Hyphen symbol. Suppose I'm taking okay, like this one. Here legend this one. My requirement is hyphen. Okay, like I'm taking. Yeah. Can you please tell if I take like this, first row looks like, can you please type what is the first row I will get? I will get what is the first row? First row, sir. What I will get? Core Java, and then this is symbol, and so this is symbol we will get, and then sir 1000. Okay, like we are going to get. Correct? Please confirm. Please confirm. Is it the first row we are going to get or not? Yeah, that's what you people should be aware. Very, very important thing. The delimiter should be only one character. Delimiter should be only one character. If you are taking multiple characters, but it's always going to consider only first character. Remember this one. So delimiter should be only one character. If you are taking multiple characters, it is always going to consider only first character. That's why the answer you are going to get is only hyphen symbol, not this arrow symbol. Getting right? It is also one important conclusion you people should aware clearly, right? Delimiter should be only one character. Only one character. Only one character. If we are providing, okay, more than one character, then it will, then it will consider, only first character. Only first character. That's all, sir. This is, sir, you people should have clear clarity about this terminology, right? Any doubt about this, sir, paste command? Okay, what is the purpose of paste command? We can use paste command to join two or more files horizontally by using some delimiter. Default delimiter is a tab. Okay, that's it. Next, immediately, very innocently, Vasevreddy is asking one doubt. What is Vasevreddy's doubt is, I want to combine the data. I want to, then it's a really multi-character requirement. Then how we can use? Please confirm. If a multi-character requirement is there, then how you can use? Because our Linux command is not going to provide support more than one character. Then if you have multiple characters you want to take, then better to go for not AWK, better to go for shell scripting. Shell scripting is the solution. You there, everything is in your control. You can add any number of characters in the middle, no problem at all. Read the first line, read first line from file 1, read first line from file 1, read first line from file 2, file 2. Okay, like now sir, write echo dollar line 1, next, and after that here just dollar line 2, dollar line 2. Okay, like echo, can you please write this dollar line 1 line 2, okay, to results dot txt. Okay, like are you getting right? To results dot txt, like something like we require to do that. Clear, right? Yeah. Was you ready? Yeah. Okay, that's all. This type of thing we have to do, but there is no direct way. Sir, here it is always going to consider only one character. That's it. Okay, this is about what is a paste command. Any doubt about paste command? Clear, right?